So a majority of you guys know that I'm in the market for a new old truck. New in quotation marks, old truck. Facebook has been really dry lately. There's no trucks around here that are interesting and worth the money to go and buy, to then fix up and then possibly sell again. We have this 1965. You guys know that. It's been on my channel for about 2.5 months, maybe 3 months now. And while this one waits to sell, I need to go and try to find another truck so we can keep the ball rolling with builds on this channel. And like I said, since Facebook is dry, we're gonna go ahead and take the old X3, Can-Am X3. This thing is an absolute unit. Man, this will take me anywhere I need to go. Which today we're going on dirt roads. Dirt roads is one of the best ways to try to find old trucks because there's just miles, hundreds of miles of dirt roads around here that we can cruise in the X3 and try to find some old trucks and possibly get in touch with the people that own them and then hopefully buy them if they're worth buying. So without further ado, let's go ahead, hit a dirt road and then go try to find an old truck. Put on the first dirt road that I'm gonna go ahead and check down. I can't really talk as I'm driving because you won't be able to hear me with this exhaust. We have some exhaust upgrades coming for this Can-Am soon, so hopefully we can get away from that problem. But we're on the first dirt road. What I'm looking for is any make or model old truck, you know, 70s below. I really don't want anything in the 60s, but if I can find something, if that's the only thing I can find, then I'll go for something in the 60s. But I'm mainly looking for stuff in the 50s. I think those body styles just appeal to me more and appeal to a lot more people because, you know, they're more desirable than, you know, the 65 that I have. That's a spam call. And yeah, that 65 is cool, but it's not desirable. It's just too big of a truck for, you know, most people. So we're on the first dirt road. Let's go ahead, start looking and see if we can find anything. So this is a little bit newer, but I'll go ahead and check it out. There's a for sale sign on it. Thought I'd stop. So I've been driving for about 25 minutes, haven't seen a single thing. And this is like the really only thing that I've seen so far. Interior is not too bad. Doesn't look like there's any rust in the floorboards. Fender liners, pieces to the headlight bezels, exhaust clamp. Let's see if this baby's 4-wheel drive. No, 2-wheel drive. Frame don't look too bad. There's a couple wasps right there. Imagine if I made this into like a mud truck or something. Two-wheel drive, I'd have to front axle swap it, but dang, 901,000 miles on this truck. Holy hell. Or is that 90? No, that's 90,000. It's got 90,000 miles on it. Doesn't look like a bad truck. I mean, if it frame don't look too bad. Exhaust is definitely rusted, but you know, not a bad truck. May have to see who owns this and see how much they want for it. Maybe we can get a secondary project. That'd be kind of cool. What you guys think? Should I try to find the owner and see how much they want for it? I mean, if they wanted like three or 500 bucks for it, man, I'll take it. But I guarantee around here, people probably want, they probably want, you know, 3 grand for this thing. I'm like, no. That's a cool little truck. 1,500. You gonna pop this hood? Oh, there's freaking wasps everywhere, man. If I can't pop this hood up. This truck is cool too. It's got a for sale sign on it. It's a little bit newer. I'd more likely be interested in the square body, or this older square body, than that square body. Prefer the round headlights, but you know, square ones will do. But man, that does not look bad at all. There's that mileage. I thought it said 901,000 miles. I was like, dang. Not a bad looking truck, man. I mean, I'm gonna go see who owns this and see if I can't get a number and see how much they want for this thing. Custom Deluxe. So we can figure out what year this is. No tags. No tags. No tags anywhere. I'm guessing this is probably a... maybe, I think it's probably in the 80s. Looks too new to be a 70s. I'm not whole big on Chevy stuff, so I don't really know the years of everything. But from Arizona, a long way from Arizona. Tailgate's a little rusty, but you can clean that up. Not a bad looking truck. For shits and giggles, we'll go ahead and check out this 90s model Scottsdale. Not bad interior either. It's definitely gonna have a dry rotted dash, because you can tell just from that for sale sign that it's been here for a hot minute. This one's locked up, but that one has 300. Maybe that does. That's either 386,000 or 38,000. I think it's 38,000, unless there's another one in front of that. But it's low miles if that's the right mileage. Got an extra grill, some exhaust parts, long bed, radiator in there. This one's two-wheel drive as well. I'm more interested in this one. I'm gonna call this number on this window and see if they're both the same owner. That would be cool to have a square body project like this. It'd be really cool. Is not available. At the tone, please record. If you finish recording, you may hang up. Hey, my name's Jonathan. I was driving past and I saw these two Chevys sitting out here in a field. Calling to talk to you about the older one. I think it's a 80s model. Go ahead and give me a call back at... Thank you. Of course, since I still have a California number, no one really picks up when I call them because they see it's an out-of-state number, way out-of-state number. So I left him a message, you guys heard, and really interested in this truck for the right price. I mean, I'll come down here and pick it up for 500 bucks. It's not a bad looking truck. Body looks good, and we can definitely clean that up and make it a cool little truck. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm far out here, man. I'm so far away from my house right now. Like I said, I've driven like 25 miles already, and I'm pretty deep. So I'm gonna go ahead, take a different route home, and see if we can't find some more trucks. Hi guys, we are back home. As I was leaving that guy's place, one of the neighbors that knows the guy, he came out to go get his mail, and I talked to him for probably a good 30 minutes, probably 45 minutes. And no, he told me a little bit about what he knows about it. And he said the drivetrain is good. I guess it has a new transmission. I think he said there was only a little bit of rust right at the tailgate, and I think underneath the bed. But he said for the most part, it's a good truck, good driving truck. And I gave him my number to give to the guy. So he'll contact me whenever he gets home or whenever he feels like it, I guess. That'll be a pretty good truck to fix up and just to drive around as a, you know, little grocery getter. So that's my adventure, trying to hunt down a new truck to build. I drove literally 30 miles around here, 30 miles that way and about 40 miles that way, just around all dirt roads, and I only saw one truck, which was the one that I stopped at. I figured there'd be a lot more. I mean, I went all the way up to Wicksburg and only saw one truck. Maybe I'm looking in the wrong places. I tried sticking around most of the farm towns around here because, you know, they used to use these as, you know, farm vehicles. But yeah, we'll see how that 80s Chevy pans out. I'll let you guys know in another video. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. We're gonna be doing some work to this 65 in next video. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. We'll see you guys later. Dippin' Diesel out.